Recorded ni siya. Pwede lang ni siya yung FB Live na mo ano? Naatay FB page.
Na FB page. Pero we don't use it right now.
Sayang. Pwede yung tani FB Live.
Yeah, we can post this in YouTube. For the benefit
Okay,
of...
so Mahayahay FC, go ahead. Come on, mic and video.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. I'm Jerry Villacampo, the coach of Mahayahay FC. And I will introduce my players from sa aking tapat, akong anak, si Sini Dane, si Miguel, si Ara, si Pauline, si GB, Seiji, Juna, Corinne, si Millie, and then Aak, Wawang, si Jabar, Oliver, then siguro ko siya tanan, siguro. Wala ko nakita ang uban. Wala pa kasunod ang uban. Parang nidaog nagiguan eh.
Ato lang sa balikan ang nahirang mo niya, mag-prepare lang sa nahirang ang nasunod kay ICFC. ICFC si MM. Asa ka M. Sige M, ikaw fan M. Ikaw mag-introduce sa uban.
Unmute, coach. Coach.
Okay. Okay, maayong hapon sa tanan og advance happy Merry Christmas. Okay, ako di ay si coach sa ICFC Ladies, si Emmanuel Judith alias Imok. Okay, akong gihangyo ang mga player nako nga maka-appeal na ani para gibuta tanan. Og ang uban po mga grupo po appeal po para first time ni in history nga nahitabo ni karon nga niya ato ang Christmas party online. Presidente ang ato mga officer sa session. Okay, ang naa karon diha siguro nagtan-aw si Aisha, si Alex Ann, si Alexa, si Sheila, si Aliana, si Corinne, si AJ, si Apple, si Archie, si Aubrey, Charlotte, si Tintin, si Krista, Daniel, si Doreen, si Mikey, si Ilona, si Kai, si Faith, si Gia, si Glenn, and si Delgado, Joanna, si Kai, Kara, Katiren, Dua Kadakanay, Kitasya, Corinne, dapat tinaghanan eh. Pili na ng mayahayan eh. Di na ko marot og basa.
Pili na ng mayahayan. Very good, thank you.
Okay, marot to.
Okay, ato balikan ang nahirang. Kinsan sa inyo?
Hi sir, I'm Alan El Gaspar pang Nahirang team. Gusto niyo nung dayo? Members of Nahirang is Angelo Suarez, Adrian Kidlat, Dino Catagal, Ryan Mutay, Carl Suarez. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Very good! Yay! Okay, ang sunod sa listahan na sunod. Tigers FC! Tigers FC! Sa Tigers! Isa niyo sa Tigers natin eh. Tigers, where are you? Eastern FC. Mga Eastern. FC 95.
Si Coach Amor.
Coach Amor. Oh, congratulations si Coach Amor at Coach B na si Coach Amor.
Oh, yes, coach.
Coach Amor. Coach Amor, asa ka Coach Amor?
Na DC siya, na DC.
Kinsa lang mo represent sa FC95?
Ako na lang mag-represent.
Jacket?
Oo.
Sige, Jack.
So good afternoon everyone. Merry Christmas. On behalf sa among club, since wala among mga seniors, ako na lang mag-represent. Ang naaday akong nakita ay si Pinky, si Urak kaganina, si Uban kay. Sorry, kay nagtrabaho pa. Sana lang. Thank you.
Very good. Yes. Marlouie, can you request Marlouie to be on screen? Marlouie.
Mayong hapon ninyong tanan
There
diha.
you go.
Teammate mi ni Ike.
Ako ipakilala siya si Marlouie Kadjot ha. Ako ipapain. Okay, there you go. Sige Marl. Go Marl.
Okay. Hello. Teammate mi ni Ike kay classmate mi sa batchmate mi sa sa IIT HS sa una. Gay na.
Good to see
Gahapon na
you.
classmate eh.
Good to see
Dugay
you,
eh.
Ma'am. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. 30 years ago siguro. Oh. Okay. Gay na tayo. Oh. Hello.
Thank you Marl sa pagkapit.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much sa mga nag-welcome and nag-introduce sa ilahang self, nag-welcome sa ilahang mga kauban. Let's now move on. Katong mga wala pa, we will just go back to them later. Let's move on now to the welcome address of none other than our ILRFA president, with whom I am privileged to be with most of the time or all the time. Please welcome Sir Ike Olandesca.
Thank you, Kay. Thank you so much for being here. Ganiha, hadlo kay ko ganiha nga atong participants na mahirap, pero in contradiction to that thought, nalipay kay ko that we were able to come up with this number. 40 participants na, but many computers, many screens are with 2 or more people. No? So, hindi lang ta 40 diri, mas dagan pa ta sa 40, and then I am really proud nga bisag ga-pandemic ta, we were able to prepare and to be with everyone na maka-feel po ta nga, oy, appeal ko diri, iliganon ko, Tagalanaw ko, appeal ko sa ILRFA. So na atong warmth of camaraderie dili lang sa football field, kay ang football field paabot man sa tuwa nga atong abot siyang dulaan, gimingaw ang football field sa tuwa ba, di lang kita gimingaw sa ila saya, so pati ang football field gimingaw na pud sa tuwa. And so much for our desire to get back on the field. Sige lang, hold on lang ta, safe lang ta, and then once we are back with the IATF nga directives, then wala na tay naon nga or kakulba na mabalik ka sa pagkita sa isa't isa. So karon sa with our celebration sa Christmas, sa birth of our Jesus Christ, we will in as much as possible share the love that we have, the blessings that we will receive from the Lord, ato i-share not only katupong ang pag-uban kanang ato ang mga ka-works nato diha, nindot kaayo nga mag-uban kita. So kuan lang gyapon, stay safe lang gyapon, balag markada gyud gyud, pero alam ba nagyapon din mga kuan na kanang ato mga precautionary measures just to make sure that we are always on the safe side. And then mao magyapon makabalik lang ang atong ginapalangga. Pagkakaroon, I'm going to introduce you to one of my friends in Manila. Nag-meet me sa Manila during our congress, and then nag-uban ako may balik sa Boracay during our kaning tawagan ng madaog ta kanang victory party sa Ceres na victory party sa Ceres nga club, Ceres Football Club. So nag-invite ni Leo Ray. Nagbutang gid ko ng so nag-invite ang ILRFA, si Leo Ray Yanson, nag-invite siya party, victory party for the Ceres Football Cup, and we met again there. And then sa among friendship na develop, he invited me to be part of his team as the vice chairman of the grassroots development program of the Philippine Football Federation. So I asked him to be our guest today para makastorya sa TUA, to welcome us also in our party, and then makastorya siya, and he can talk about also about the grassroots development program that we have for the whole Philippines. And then our target already, aside from Mindoro Oriental, kasi he is coming from Mindoro Oriental Regional Football Association, ang next na natong target would be Iligan, kay naman ta diri sa Iligan. So atong paminawon karon ay please help me welcome mga Iliganon, mga Tagalanao people. Help me welcome Jay Adriatico from Regional Football Association. Sir Jay, please unmute, Sir Jay.
Ako, Sir Jay. Ako, Sir Jay.
Sir Jay, good afternoon.
Ngayon. Hello.
Pwede na.
Good evening, sir.
Okay.
Pag nag-usap kayo ng Daya, tawa na lang ako. Smile lang ako, smile. So, matagal na ako sa PFF. Marami akong mga kaibigan ko. Daya sa Mindanao.
Mute yun ako ba? Mute.
Sir Jay, paki-unmute ulit, Sir Jay. Sir Jay, paki-unmute ulit.
Okay. Hello?
Okay.
Okay. So marami tayong mga friend from Visayas and Mindanao. So pagkakasama ako sila ang kwentuhan. Ano lang ako, siguro smile lang. Smile. Sabi ko yes lang kasi hindi ko naiintindihan. Pero okay naman, enjoy So i-share ko lang yung yung mga program natin for the Grassroots Movies 2021 sa mga kids So una, yung first move natin sa ngayon 2021 ay magkakaroon tayo ng mga ang PFF magkakaroon tayo ng grassroots course, grassroots development officer course or seminar. So bawat RFA yan, meron tayong representative na bawat isa. So itong mga GDO nito, after ng seminar na to, so ito yung magiging grassroots development officer ng ating RFA. So siya yung magkakandak ng grassroots course and festival sa buong region, sa region nyo. So ngayon, ang PFF magbibigay sa atin ng dalawang grassroots course and festival for this year. So si Sir Ike, siya na ang bahala mamahagi kung saan lugar o province niya dadalhin yung GCF. So this GCF is participants, participants natin dito is 60 participants, teachers or kahit hindi teachers or yung mga member ng clubs, And then sa 60 teachers, so every teacher magdadala sila ng 10 players. Yan. So this is 3 days grassroots course and festival. So 2 days na theoretical and 1 day na festival. So every teacher mag-bring sila ng 10 players. So sa lahat bali abutin siya ng 600 kids for the third day. So maganda 'yon for the kids. So kung dalawa yung grassroots course and festival natin, so 600 kids, 1,200 kids yon for 2 GCF. So magaling, Then after that, so na-train natin yung mga coaches natin, mga teachers. So diyan tayo magse-select ng players for a regional festival of football. Ito po this is a yearly festival, PFF Regional Festival of Football. So after ng GCF nyo, magkakaroon kayo ng mga local festival, magkakaroon kayo ng selection, then after nun, kung sino yung mapipili for that selection, so siya yung kasama sa paglalaro sa Manila. Sa Manila, sa inyong area, regional. Saan bang area nyo? Coach, kanino ka ba
Iligan Lanao,
naka-assign
Iligan
na area?
Lanao.
Yun, Iligan Lanao. Kayo yung magko-compete. Yun yung PFF Regional Festival of Football. Ito yung Regional Festival of Football. Ito yung selection for national team. So, at least ako dito nung first GCF namin, meron akong isa na produkto ng FOF. So siya ngayon ay from the last 2018 captain ball siya ng U17 captain ball. So nakakatuwa at baka sa susunod or next year for our preparation kasi after ng regional competition magse-select ng players dyan for Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Then ipa-final natin yan this year. Then magkukumpit na yan for the next year 2022 for Asian Regional Football Association. So baka may mapili sa inyo. So mga kids, yung mga 14 years old, 13 years old. So pakausayan nyo, practice lang, and syempre yung discipline, wag nating kalilimutan. Don't forget the discipline, Yan, number 1 yan. Kahit anong galing natin, anong husay natin, so on our province, so maraming marurunong, maraming magagaling, pero walang disiplina, may iwan ka. Ayun, ganun yung selection natin. So marami tayong mga festival, may mga youth tournament, mga grassroots day. So but this time ito muna tayo sa Grassroots Course and Festival para doon sa Regional Festival of Football. Then after niyan, bukod sa maging national team player, so there's a chance na maging scholar din kayo ng isa sa university sa Manila. Di ba? Okay 'yon. So yun lang siguro sa grassroots, marami pang pwedeng ikwento pero hindi na tayo matatapos So yun lang, and sana safe kayo lahat dyan, nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan, and yung health protocol huwag niyong kalilimutan, laging maghugas ng kamay, laging alcohol laging kasama, huwag lalabas ng bahay kung hindi naman mahalaga, bahay na lang tayo, and Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
Hey! So now we are open for our business meeting. I will ask our Gensec again, Teacher Gensec Ram, to lead our program for the business meeting. Gensec Ram.
Thank you so much, Sir Jay. Straight from Mindoro Oriental. Yay! Thank you so much. Merry Christmas, and we hope too that you are safe there. At this point, football enthusiasts, let's welcome back our president for his president's report.
Hello everyone, we're back. Okay, so for our president's report, this is like a something to tell all the Iliganons and the Lanaos what is happening already to our association. When we started first and foremost, I would like to start with our finances, because we cannot move. An organization will always have a hard time moving if there's no funds to tackle or to hold. So first and foremost, I will be talking about our finances, and then after the finance, we will be talking about sa atoang programs in Iligan. Anyway, in terms of finances, when we started our administration last November 2019, to wala pa yung COVID, we don't have anything in our bank. And then, in fact, pati atong bank account, we don't have control because our bank account is under the name of Iligan Lanao Regional Football Association. And right now, through the processing all those documents sa SEC, sa bank, sa BIR, and with the continued support of the Philippine Football Federation in Manila, continued man ang ilahang support sa to every month, we were able to come up with our money already in the bank right now for the full 2019 year, 2019 nga year, we have already 2020 nga year, kay 2021 naman dahil pinagkakadlaw, we have 90,000 pesos in our bank and we have full control sa atong bank account. Full control na ta sa atong bank account. Okay? So, last na to mga focus meeting is with our board. There are 5 of us, or 6. I think there were 6 to make it a caucus board meeting. Nag-story dito nga we will be pulling out 20,000 pesos immediately for this party. So, stick gid mo karon sa party kay we have 20,000 worth of prizes to be given to you. In fact, the cash is already with Ace, ready to be given to you.
Yeah!
So okay na ato ang finances karon. And then of course, still connected with finances, I'm going to report also with our COVID FIFA. Kaya kanina magong FIFA, nag-post magid yung FIFA gid sa website nila nga ang FIFA is giving COVID relief for all associations, including the Philippine Football Federation. If PFF received something from FIFA, of course, ang mga regional football association mo receive pod. So right now, we aside from our 90,000, we also receive 22,500 from FIFA para sa ato ang subsidy every month na maintenance. So dagdag na po sa atong finances. Yes, thank you. And then we are expecting sooner or later amount of 200 to 250,000. That is for the maintenance of the field. That is for our staff. And then para to make sure nga atong football in our regional football association, especially Iligan and Lanao, mupadayon gid ta. So the moment we get the money, we will announce it immediately to the board and then through the Congress para makabalo gyud mo tanan kung sa kalihukan sa ato ang RFA and of course ang support na dadawat nato from PFF. Okay? So
Yes.
mara atong mga finances. Okay.
Thanks, Sir First.
And then, yes. And then sa atong programs na as what Sir Jay mentioned earlier, ang grassroots development program sa whole Philippines, ready na ang ato ang GCF, na plot na ang ato ang programs. In fact, this year, 2021, ang pinakadako nga budget nga gihatag sa PFF ila lang gipagawas 269 million. Ngayon ang ato ang GCF o ato ang GDF, GDP kay appropriated is 13 million. Another 14 million. Sorry. 14 million para sa ato ang grassroots development program. Para na siya sa ato ang U11, U13, U15, U17 people, kids to come up. And then sa ato ang ladies, dako pa yung budget sa ladies, they have already 23 million on top of the 25 million na gihatag pagit sa FIFA. So almost that's a total of 48 million para sa mga ladies. So pag si mga ladies diya, ang mga boys, mga men, maglaway na lang mo kay dako ko sila budget. Dili mo maglaway sa ilaha as players, maglaway mo sa ilaha. Kay dako kay sila budget. Ang atong men's nato is 25 million raman, no? 25 million for the men's open and then pero sa ladies na to, naabot na sila 48 million ang budget. So, you have to gear up. All of us need to gear up para yun maka-appeal ta, makakuha ta aning slice of the budget because if we are not part of the national team, we cannot have those perks and privileges of the budget given to us by PFF. Okay? So, kana po siya atong programs, we will support the GCF every time that they will be here. We will support the futsal department, kay ginapa-strengthen ng futsal, support punta sa atong mga referees. Sir Ayan, if you're listening, dapat kita move fast, kay kailangan itag mga high caliber referees. We have level 3, level 2, level 1 referees, and then kung unsa may available dara nga mga programs, opportunities, I am very open and welcome everyone, anyone for that matter. Kung kinsay gusto mo grab sa opportunity and you need my endorsement, let me endorse you. Walay pugong ni siya. Dili ko moingon nga pika naman mo sa Pikas baryo, ako Pikas akong baryo, dili mo pwede. Dili ko ana, padayon tatanan.
Yes.
Equal opportunities for all. Just grab it once you are. Yes, if you are qualified, let's grab it. Mga referees, I am calling out for all the referees. Come on, grab it. And then sa mga coaches, I am very proud na si Coach Amor, nag-license B na siya. No, license B na
Nice.
si Coach Amor sa Iligan. I am sure that Coach Jerry will be catching up also the next license being a batch. I license C man po si Coach Jerry, and then we have a lot of aspirants for Coach C. I will be part of the Coach C as well para atong daghanon gid niya atong mga coaches sa Iligan po. Coach M, pwede pa na M. Coach A pa gid na M, padulong sa PFFA license. Pwede pa M.
Hindi pa pagko ng lubid mo.
Oh, mo apil ko ana. Ang lubi sa mayahay may delikado kay tagas na kayo.
Ayun na, para.
Atalay pa pagkol.
Wala man tayo giingon na pan. Wala man tayo giingon nga age limit. So padayon tayo. Anyway, si LM 33 pa man na siya. No? Makadulan na ka 2 years after yan sa 35 above. Okay? So those are our programs, and in fact locally I already have in mind that we will encouraging Sunday Football League, and then if we talk about Sunday Football League, it's always 11 aside. Dili ato ning natin mga 7 aside, but this is for festival. But if we talk about 11 aside, if we talk about Sunday League, I am always talking about 11 aside. So we will have age categories for 11 aside. We have ladies 11 aside, and then we also have veterans veterans 11 aside, and then of course our men's and ladies open 11 aside. We will try to get all fields working.
Yes.
Atong ngayon, we will work together with Attorney Makabangkit kung pwede na to atong i-work out po ng ato ang NSC Suarez football field, because they welcome us. Ato po dito ang ato ang ludo, atong i-work out. Na po tayo field po, gayon na po field ang atong Tubod Baroy. Na dito si Peter Legaspi. Dayon, we are thinking also of getting another field sa Dipilaan perhaps, or kaning si I'm waiting for a very good time to talk to Alan Shecker, Mr. Alan Shecker, kay para daw sa iyang lot na gina-offer sa tuwa for illegal football yapo na siya. So let's just cross our fingers and pray to God that all of this will happen.
Okay. Amo na
Okay, I
ka
think that concludes my president's report. Ambot lang ko asa pa na siya, but I will be speaking with him once makabakante na siya o makabakante ko. We are trying to connect our schedules. So any motion for the acceptance of my president's report? Kailangan ko motion gikan sa inyo ha.
Ikan.
Wala pa na move, na second na.
May mo tingog, way mo tingog.
So kailangan ko motion. I need a motion.
Idiretso na kay way mo tingog.
Yes, Ace. Hello, Ace. Oh,
Fresh for
I need a
clarification
motion.
for the maintenance operations budget you mentioned is
yeah, go Ace.
20,000
Okay,
monthly.
Ace, go. Thank you.
Is that monthly 22,000 or the quarterly?
Oh, no. The 22,500 subsidy, it is a subsidy for the, like for example, we have an office, or it is not for the field maintenance. The 22,500 is the regular monthly maintenance on top of the 7,500 that they are sending to us every month. The field maintenance is 20,000 per month. Yes.
I would like to clarify. Previous meeting you mentioned is quarterly. So now I would like for the record the aforementioned amount is monthly budget.
Actually it is not contradicting. It is just in lump sum, because they're giving us 27,500 per month and they're giving it to us quarterly. Therefore 7,500 times 3, that's 22,500 quarterly. So it's the same actually. Sakto na gapon to Ace. Quarterly to siya, but the counting is monthly and it's given to us quarterly.
Acknowledge, Press.
Okay.
The question is the purpose of recording.
Thank you. Okay, very good. So, any other clarifications before a motion to accept my president's report? If there being none, then I need a motion. Yes, please.
Press, I move to close the to accept the president's report for this year.
And
Seconded na, Kwan.
Sabi ko na yung seconded.
Okay.
Thank you, Merry
Thank you
Christmas.
so much for the motion and it's being seconded. Now, I will now pass you to our Gensec for the formal acceptance of the report. Okay, so by the power vested in me as the president of the Iligan Lanao Regional Football Association, I now adjourn the business meeting and proceed to the second part, which is our Christmas.
Thank you so much, Sir Ike, and thank you to Sir Jay. You are welcome to stay and enjoy the party with us, and you're also welcome to receive donations if you want to add more to our prizes. I know we have 30,000 pesos today. I mean, sorry, 20,000 pesos today. It's with Sir Ace. Yes, sumasagising na cash.
Whoa, look,
Para sa mga
there's the money. Wait.
shopping ang uman.
Yes. Daghan taon mga games.
Salamat shopping. Gamay na kayo na. Boss, epic skin lang, boss.
Okay, so before magsugod ang games na
Salamat, Willie. Salamat, Willie.
ang mga officers, all the members, fighting units.
Japit.
Mute.
Hold on.
Okay.
Stream ka.
I cannot unmute you. Please
Okay.
unmute yourself immediately.
Let us welcome this fellowship with an opening presentation from none other than our ILRMA
Opening.
as they sing the Sadya Ding Takna.
Madungga na?
Yes, sir.
Madunggan na.
Okay, great.
Ulang-ulahan ang palay awi-awitan, awit nga lang doon sa Pasko malipay.
Bagong tuig, bagong kinabuhi, duyugan ta sa atong gibati, atong awiton ug atong hilayon aron magmalipay.
Dora Kims!
Lapit sa kahimayan, uray akong makita ang panagway nga masanamo.
Ulang-ulahan ang palay awi-awitan, awit nga lang doon sa Pasko malipay.
Ikaalan yun, magmalipayon. Okay.
Wow! Congratulations! Grabe ang recording ito nila sa katuig. Grabe! Okay, let's move on to our first Adong Bibo, di sila gusto nga dili i-record. Acapella, ang challenge, acapella o takto. Sige lang, that's okay. Our first game is head juggling. And in this game,
Oh, bring your
we
ball.
will have,
Get your ball.
balls. We will have 5 winners at 200 pesos each. Sakto ba ko? At 200 pesos each? Okay.
Ball float.
O, sige. Let's call na for mag-juggling sila in how long? Ano sa ba ni pa? Padaghanay?
By ball, the ball float.
No.
Can you please give
Yes,
me
padaganay.
5 lang. 5.
Padaganay mahulog.
Okay. No. Ang atong Gensek, ang atong Gensek, kung si Imo, ano yun, daw daan si Imo. So, si Gensek, kung kinsa yan, o siya tuloon. Ready?
Ayun na, di na pwede si Coach Imok kay wala na tabil di tatanan.
Kadjat lang. Okay, mechanics. Ang atong Gensek, matudlog isa ka buok, and then, mo-perform na siya, 5 lang kay head jab. No, 5 lang ka buok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kung makuha niya, automatic daog dayon. Pero kung di niya makuha, mangita na bitaglahi na pod. Si Gensek ka mo pili, kay wala man siya kaila, kung kinsay, maayo mo juggle dali o dili. Pero kabalo siya nga si MM, maayo mo juggle. Okay? So, akong ipasa karon kay Gensek, kung kinsay ang pilion niya.
Okay, sige. The first one, pwede siguro si ICFC Lovely. Ayun, naputol si ICFC Lovely.
Okay, yeah. ICFC Lovely daw.
Siya sa first,
Asan siya?
first page. Kung ICFC Lovely is not available, let's call on FC95, si Jaboy.
Okay.
Okay, Jaboy, pakita eh.
Okay, spotlight please.
Sige.
Let's go.
Five.
5 na, 5.
Mangita sa bola.
Wala na, disqualified na. Wala ka ready. Disqualified na, wala ready na.
Thank you.
Biki, okay, go. Go.
Wala na.
Kayong internet.
Kansawa, oy.
Sige.
So, next.
Okay, next.
Ano to dyan, delay?
Disqualified na.
Wala na ko camera.
Sige, Michael, next.
ICFC Nikki ang next.
Ma'am, wala kay bola, ma'am.
Wala siyang bola. Okay, let's go to Nahirang Gaspar. Okay, ready na kayo.
Kanig. Kusog ni.
Spotlight please.
Asa man ka?
Nahirang Gaspar. Spotlight. Okay, pwede ra ako.
Kaya tinod Gaspar.
Okay.
Wala na, disqualified na, kay dugay kayo.
Ato na, okay.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow!
Wow! Winner!
What the fuck? May sobra. May sobra.
Okay! O, sakaya!
Pista!
Hello. Play price. Press.
Next, Mahayahay
Next.
FC Miguel.
Bayay Miguel.
Kita sa uban. Wala?
Wala na ka nilang bola, ma'am. Wala na sila.
Okay,
Yeah, okay,
this
change,
is
change.
Angelic Joy. Angelic Joy. Hindi siya ready. Pakita ang mga bola para makita kung kinsa ang mga ready. Si Eastern, ayan. Wala. ICFC yan. Wala. ICFC Shella. And then ang next
Ama,
kung
sila,
wala,
sila.
Wala ko'y bula.
Ay, naman
na sila, na
mga
sila.
film mo na. Kwan, asa inyo mga bula dahil ipang man taman mo bula.
Hiyos, oy, hiyos.
Yay.
Oh, si Brandon, no?
Tanan bula na to ato nang gibi. Please kay
Nahirang
para magamit
Suarez.
ninyo.
Nahirang da Suarez.
Nahirang daw, nahirang. Suarez. Angelo Suarez, among ka.
Yes, coach.
Kaniyo
Correct,
si
si John
Makayahay FC Gelio.
Spotlight.
Asa si Gilio?
Spotlight.
Gilord, asa si Gilord? Okay.
Ganda.
I love you, people.
Okay, sige, go.
Okay, go!
Yo, G-Lord.
Laban!
Laban.
Nagsakalam! J-Lord!
J-Lord, ayun siya, J-Lord. Go, J-Lord.
Disqualified kay Lag.
Basin mo glitch, maabot na. Ay, bandit.
Okay, count 1, 2, 3 lang. 1, 2, 3. Wala na.
Wait lang, coach. Nasalig ba kay kusog og internet, oh?
Okay, burn out.
Sige.
Atong balikan. Next.
Next, si Art. Kinsa niya si Art.
Ito,
Art lang siya.
May bola.
Art nga.
Walay bola. ICFC Catherine.
Pasaman.
Ano na?
Soy.
Isa mo na si Jimoy, ICFC 95. ICFC 95, Jimoy.
Go, idol.
Go, idol.
Kami manggunduhan ni Pipo.
Okay. Sige, suy.
Trial, balik.
Sayang ang t-shirt, ay. Sayang yung t-shirt, FPU.
Na. Sige na, play.
Next game.
J-Lord.
Oh, G-Lord.
Coach M na po, Coach M.
Basig ba, burn out na po na.
Unsa?
Ay na, dili dapat.
Sige, go, G-Lord.
Head. Explain, G-Lord. Head.
Kung kinala ka siya.
Wait lang.
Laglag ka kanina.
Ako ka padulong.
Yeah.
Ano siya naging?
Aba, pet.
Go na, G-Lord. Bulag na mo na doon.
Kila G-Lord. Para may ko lang sa
Guba na ba? May lista na bitaw na nimo.
Para magkuba na yung suka.
Ay, bubuha kang TV.
Wala na ka na ako. Siguro,
TV.
Okay, next.
guys,
Buta.
kamay lang man ang eyeballs.
Tatlo na lang sila tanan ka nag-job.
Huwag na sila, okay.
Salamat, Shopee.
Okay, listen. Sige, Jensen.
Okay, announcement, Sir Ace. Katong akong suggestion kay gamay lang ang naibots para makamove na ta sa next na game. Those na nag-volunteer mag-head juggling, na sila yung prize, 200 pesos. Kung nakadaog yun, 5, yung prize is 300. Is that okay?
Okay.
Ilista sa na to, si...
Names na nag-juggle jug, please.
200, si J. Lord,
200. Si J. Lord, 200. Si Alan Gaspar, 300.
So, Alan Gaspar.
300.
Si Ace na.
Yeah, nasi Ace.
J. Lord, what else?
Then si Jaboy, itong ganyan boss, Jaboy.
200 si...
Japoy, 200.
Complete name ni Japoy.
Japoy, complete name niya.
Ace, kailan mo si Japoy? Ace, di ba?
Okay, knowledge na. Nadunggan na ako.
Knowledge na.
And then we also typed it in
can I
the
read
chat box.
para for verification?
Read down ni Ace.
Ace, tas chat box. Mas makita sa chat box.
300 Alan Gaspar.
Okay, go.
Nawala siya. You can type it in the chat box. I typed it.
Knowledge. Okay, Alan Gaspar 300, Catherine Takanay 200, Jailor 200, Japoy 200. That's all?
Did we miss someone? Upat lang sila, no? Ako! I think 4 lang. Okay,
very good!
Okay, ang next game, sayon lang ni kaayo. Show me. So sa show me nga game, i-guess ninyo kung unsa ang i-describe an item, and then i-guess na ninyo, and then kuhaon ninyo i-show, ipakita dayon. So paunahay ni siya og guess. Ang pag-guess ninyo,
Spotlight.
sa chat box.
Press.
No. Gallery view ni siya. Si Jensek nasa page. Ako nasa page 2.
Pages only. Okay, sige.
Dua raman.
Press. Suggestion.
Dua raman ka pages. So makita na.
Press suggestion.
Go.
Moe ko si Teacher Ram pag mo istorya sa, I think you should close your off your mic para maklaro ang tingog. Thank you.
Okay, I'm muted already.
Okay guys, here is the mechanics for our next game, ang Show Me. What I will do is I will describe an item, and then you will guess that item. I-type niyo sa chat box para makabalume kung kinsa pinakauna nag-guess. And then you have to show that item on screen. Okay? So again, I will describe the item, you will guess it, and you will type it in the chat box, and then you will find an item. Okay? So syempre kung wrong, sorry, we will go to the next person na naka-type sa chat box. So there are only 2 pages. I am looking at the first page and Sir Ike is looking at the second page. So makita na namo kung kinsa po'y una mag-show me. And then maybe si Ace also can help as a judge. Ace, you can do gallery view kay pwede ikaw sa gallery view page 1 na lang, then si Sir Ike page 2 kay ako sa chat box. Para ma-check na ako kung kinsay una nakakuha sa answer. So, game? Acknowledge, give us a thumbs up if it's okay.
Secretary, di na po makita.
Mag-sample pa ta?
Sample.
Okay, trial question. When water and soap are not available and your hands are not visibly dirty, This is used to clean and disinfect. What is
Alcohol.
this?
Oh.
Kailangan i-type. Okay, ang
I-type
una
din,
na
ma'am.
type kay si makita din amo. Kailangan wrong spelling, wrong. Sorry. Ang una naka-type kay si ICFC AJ. O AJ, where is it? Dapat ipakita dayon ni ICFC AJ ang alcohol. Makita nimo siya?
Ajay.
Asa siya? Wala siya dili. AJ, sorry, dugay kaayo ka. Si Sir Jerry, nakakuha na siya. Wait ha. Ang
Pinakit.
next dapat kay si Japheth. Japheth, where is your alcohol? Yes, Japheth, wala alcohol?
Trial man ni ma'am, no?
Oo, trial lang. So, yeah. So, ing-adto to siya. Kailangan na naka-answer siya. Pag-acknowledge siya imo kay ikaw na naka-answer, dapat naa din kay alcohol. Kung wala, out of the game ka diretsyo. Okay?
Alcohol.
Yes. So, okay na. Go na. All right. Final. First question sa final round. Everyone is required to wear this on top of the face mask, especially when you go to the malls or to other establishments. Everyone is required to wear this on top of a mask, especially when you go to the malls or other establishments. What is this? Wrong spelling. Wrong. Kailangan i-type sa chat box. Ha? Yan, where are you? Asa siya?
Face shield.
Yes, asa man siya ang face shield? Kailangan ma-show. Kailangan gi-guess na niya tapos i-show me pag yun.
Asa mo kayan?
Okay.
Ishel, takinsi.
Catherine Dakanay. She won! Siya na ang winner? Catherine Dakanay is the winner sa first question, first round. Okay, sige na ha. Ikaw na lang yung matanaw sa chat. Okay, next question. This is a document that is used to prove your identity. You cannot get inside any office or store without
Nakauna si
Mahayahan.
Mahayahan JB.
Asaman.
Asa ang ID JB? JB, asa si JB?
Laban ko ang
Gina.
Hindi si JB man, si JB. Ang first is JB.
Kay FC 95 Jaboy na yan.
Laban ko antin pass.
Okay, I'm sorry. Ang una din si FC.
Okay, Jaboy. Jaboy, asa yung ID?
Tanawa ang next page ha. Basay na siya sa next page.
Nakita na ko siya.
So okay, Jaboy, winner.
Wala man siya ito ang ID.
Si AJ. If si Jaboy dili AJ.
AJ.
AJ is the winner.
Ajay.
Miguel.
AJ is the winner, 200 pesos. Okay, next question.
Laban lang.
Nanaway pinaskuhan.
Pas yun pag-answer. Okay, wait lang.
Paminaw.
Okay, next.
Building lag, ano?
Our body needs an optimal balance of electrolytes. And drinking lots of this is another COVID-19 effective pill. What is this?
Tando.
Again, our body needs an optimal balance of electrolytes, and drinking lots of this is another COVID-19 protective shield. Okay, water!
AG!
Okay, wait, kinsa water, si ano ang una?
AG, lagi!
Wala yung tubig, brand out.
Wala pa siyang water. ICFC yan. ICFC yan.
Oh, yan.
Okay!
Water, okay, may water.
Ulahin na.
Inom na yun.
Okay, next.
Okay, next question.
Tanduay. Tanduay.
Gani, why nakagunit ang red horse?
Tanduay.
This supplement helps boost your immunity and fight infections and helps heal the body. It is recommended that you take large doses of this supplement every day.
Mayahay.
What is the answer?
Vitamin C. Mayahay.
Ipakita yun ang sulod.
Mahayahay.
Wala yung sulod.
Mayahay Chani.
Mahayahay Chani. Asa?
Sa mato, vitamin C niya, paracetamol. May sulod.
Vitamin C, ascorbic acid.
Paracetamol ang sulod.
Ascorbic acid.
Ascorbic acid.
Pero ang naadre si Chani. Wala ka. Yay, Chani is the winner.
The third.
Mahayahay Chani is the winner for this round. Sa ako nag-record labi ako nag-record adto ba? So, Mahayahay Chani is the winner. Okay.
Shani, Mayahay Shani.
Okay, next question. This is the best disinfectant to be used with water. This is the best disinfectant to be used with water, especially if your hands are really visibly dirty. What is this? Okay, so the answer, Mahayahay JB. Mahayahay JB Charles, where are you? Asa si JB and Charles?
Dili to pwede kay Perla ang ipakita, Perla.
Okay,
hinay kayo mga
Dili si JB.
Ito to safeguard ang sulod, Perla.
Oh, asa si JB?
Dili ba si JB ang una?
Si Japet na sunod, Japet, asa sunod?
Dili ba daw, sir?
Japet,
Disqualified ang di mabula.
Oh, Japet. You have a winner, Japet.
Sunod, ipagawas ang sabon, ipabula yun ang sabon, o masili na mo bula.
grabe.
Ang dami.
Okay, now let's now move on to our third game.
Okay, third game.
Sa third game, mag-picture ta. Appeal na din ang mag-picture ta kay mo na pinakadaghan na nag-show.
Ay, nasa IQ check. Ako ipa-check kay IQ.
It's okay? Okay. All right.
It's okay.
Okay, our next game, the third game. But please remember that there are other games and we have already been tracking you para makabalo mo kung kinsa ang nakadaog sa with the most number of participants today. So pag-start pa lang ganina, we have already started tracking you down. Hala! So, kabalo na me kung kinsa ang winner sa pinakadaghan og participants. So anyway, that's part of the game. That's probably the fourth game, but let's now move on to the third game. And in this third game, kinahanglan na ay mga volunteers. So tan-awo na to, how far do you know or how well do you know each other? Because unity is important, di ba? So kani siya nga game, ang tawag ani two truths and a lie. So we will have a representative from each. Katong wala pa nakadaog yun, ha? Two truths and a lie. So ing ani ang himuon kung kinsa ang representative from a club, or anybody, kung walay representative from a club, but any volunteer, you will tell us 3 things about you, ang duha tinuod, ang isa bakak. And then, i-guess dayon sa tanan. Diba? Ang uban, the rest of us will guess by typing in the chat box kung unsa to ang bakak. So, i-guess nato kung unsa ang dili tinuod sa gisulti sa person. Okay? So, for example, Sir Ike, can you give an example? Mag-example ta, trial. Go, Sir Ike.
Okay, can you hear me? Yes, you do. I am the president of ILRFA. I am the president of PFF. I am the president of Little Me Academy.
Truth.
So first, I am the president of ILRFA. Second, I am the president of PFF. Third, I am the president of Little Me Academy.
Which is a lie.
Tulo ang bakak.
Isulat yun ang charot.
2. 2.
Sabot. Okay. You have to write, dili number 1, number 2. Isulat yun ninyo unsa tong gisulti niya nga fact. Ako dili mamakak, pero siya na makak. Unsa ang bakak? Sorry, wala pa gyud naka-correct answer. Unsa ang bakak? Yes, the president of PFF, Mahayahay JB is the winner. So, ana siya, dali lang kayo, okay? So, ready? Kinsa atong volunteer? Maybe I can call, okay, Coach Jerry. Go, Coach Jerry. Ikaw ang maghatag sa imong 2 truths and a lie. Final round na ni with Coach Jerry. Mahayahay FC Jerry.
Okay, ako ma'am.
Yes, sir. Spotlight,
Okay,
please.
Coach Jerry is the coach of Mayahay FC. Coach Jerry is the father of Sunny Dane. Then Coach Jerry is a taekwondo player.
Okay. So, Coach, unsa ang bakak, Coach?
Taekwondo player.
Okay, and the winner is taekwondo mana. Okay. ICFC yan.
Uy,
ICFC
grabe ako.
yan.
Wala ka, Jim.
Congratulations, ICFC yan.
I am Jimbo. I am Jimbo of Nairang. I am the president of Nairang.
Ang winner atong round kay si Kuana Mahayahay FC yan. Oh, ICFC yan ang winner atong round. Thank you so much. I hope Ace is taking track of that. And then Ace, ikaw na pod ang next mag-give sa imong 2 truths and a lie.
Name please, name. Wala na ko nadunggan ng name.
ICFC yan.
Yan.
Yan?
Oo, yan.
Okay, acknowledge.
Y-A-N.
Excuse me. Teacher, sa show me ba play price?
Show,
200,
it's still
200 yapon,
200 pesos gapon.
So ang naka-down sa 200 si Catherine Dakanay, EJ ug si Shani.
Yes.
Then sa backup for the, as of now is 200 for ICFC yan.
For ICFC yan. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Acknowledge.
Okay, so can you give your 2 truths and a lie? Coach Ace? Wala siya?
Yes.
Can you do this round? Can you give 2 truths and a lie?
Magtawad sa akong headset ha kay nagulan sa ba kayong background.
Okay, after you kay si Coach MM. Coach MM, you will follow after Ace, okay?
Asan ka akin? Butan yung ICFC Aaron Ken ka kay ICFC. Sound sa na ma'am.
Sa 2 truths
Wala
and
ko
a
na-
lie. Mag-prepare na daan. And
Ay,
then
correct,
si
sulat
ano
ko.
po, ang mga officers da, kinsa tong isa ka officer nga naa, si Coach kanina.
Orak.
Oh, okay.
That's Mike.
Coach Arak, you're next after Coach MM. Okay, go Ace.
Pardon.
You can go now. 2 truths and a lie about you.
Okay, truth and a lie. My real name is Ace Masilang. I live in Bagong Silang. And I'm married.
I live in Bagong Silang. Balls.
You have to type. You have to type.
Kinsay first.
Kinsay
Pastor,
first.
Kinsay first.
Oh na ay. Wait ha. Mahayahay Jonah. Dili, sorry, dili di I live in Bagong Silang, nara. Si FC 95 Jaboy gihapon. FC 95 Jaboy wins.
Thank you, ma'am.
So si Jaboy ang winner for this round. Thank you, Coach Ace. Okay, somebody is raising his hand. Si Mahayahay FC Miguel. Yes? Miguel, why? Okay, let's move on. Go to the next round, the 3rd round. Coach MM, go.
Go. Okay. Coach Imok is coach in men's open. Coach Imok is coach in under-19 boys. Coach Imok is coach in ICFC ladies.
It's open.
How many?
19. Which ay, naunahan ko na.
Sabi Jaja, oy.
Coach, what's the answer, Coach M?
Ang lie man siya, ma'am, no?
Oo.
Pamugas magay Jaja, oy.
Ang under-19, ma'am.
Under 19. So, kinsay naka-answer?
Imong gibutang.
IFC Chris
Coach,
K.
Ace number.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Ace, the winner in this round is ICFC Chris K. 200 pesos. Yeah, under 19 falls.
Coach
May
Imok
gani
is
ang
guwapo.
answer kay under 19 kay ang falls na wrong spelling. Okay, next si Coach.
Kasi nakadaog.
Ang nakadaog si Chris K.
Oh, grabe, gipakyaw.
Okay, Coach Orak. Go.
Pamasahe pa yung Manila.
Oo. Sige. Coach Orak, where are you, Coach? Asa siya? Okay, maybe we can ask Sir Jay to participate. Sir Jay, can you participate? Can you give us 2 truths and a lie about yourself? Okay.
Mek.
Sir Jay.
Abloy.
Tag na kita si
Go, Sir Jay.
Kaila.
Kapatay.
Sige, Sir Jay, go.
Kita kaila ni, tanatag na kita tananan ni.
Sige, Sir Jay, go.
Wala sa kuha, tanduay.
Kararating ko lang uli. Yung dati pa rin?
Instructions naman, instructions.
Jay, we are playing 2 truths and a lie, and everybody will guess the lie that you will say about yourself. So you will tell us 2 truths about you and a lie. So don't tell us because we will guess it.
Okay. Same lang kay Sir Ike, no? Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay. I am the president of Oriental Mindoro Football Association, president of Adriatico Football Club, and I am the president of Oriental Mindoro Buy and Sell.
Korea. I am president.
President of... Okay, yes, we have a winner. The winner is... Sir, what's the answer?
President of Oriental Mindoro Buy and Sell.
Okay. Yes, our winner is... Let's look at our winner. Oh, grabe. Ano sa man i-disqualify na ni si Jaboy? Siya lang yan po na nakadaog.
Ma'am, last na ni ma'am.
Yes, okay. FC 95 Jaboy is the winner. Grabe hapon.
Malaking pangangailangan
daw. Thank you so much. Matinding pangangailangan.
lang ni Leslie, ma'am.
Thank you, Sir Jay.
Ay, taga.
Thank you so much. Okay, one last question for this round. Let's call on a participant. Can we call Nahirang Gaspar? Can you give us 2 truths and a lie about yourself?
Ako? Nahirang Gaspar.
Oh, sige, ikaw.
Yes, Jim Loyo, si Kuano? Jimplox.
Jimplox daw. Ikaw daw.
Jimplox, ikaw. Excuse.
I am cute.
Sige ako.
Excuse me. Hello.
Okay, yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Nakadaog, I would like to clarify, nakadaog si Japoy, ha?
I'm a police.
Si Japoy?
Oh, yes.
So, ikadua na siya.
Japoy, kadaghan na siya nakadaog. Jaboy.
I'd like to clarify, Japoy and Japit is different person.
Yes. This is
Okay,
Jaboy.
I would like to clarify, Jaboy and Japit is different.
Yes, Jaboii, Jaboy. He won twice already for this game.
Okay, acknowledge.
Okay, thank you. All right, 2 truths and a lie from Nahirang Gaspar.
Jimplox.
Oh. Sige.
Okay, go Jim.
Ako tayo si Jimplox Cometes. I'm a policeman graduate. And then, I live in Kanaway. Dayon, coming to coach of Nahirang.
Ang sato?
Arong Torya ba?
Udah nakatandoy na ako siguro niyo.
Anong fools?
Di kasi na sa bikini baray.
Again, Jim. Sige na, 2 truths and a lie. So, i-save na lang siya ni Nahirang Gaspar. Erase to erase. Okay, go Nahirang Gaspar. 2 truths and a lie about you.
Hi, I'm Alan L. Gaspar. I live in Purok 10, Palawan City. And I'm Philippine team. And
okay.
I'm 20 years old.
Kasi ito, Philippine team, 20 years old, and you live in... Okay. Live in Iligan City. Klaro man nga na sa Iligan. Okay. Tanan lai ang sanig.
Duha ang false.
Sir, ano sa
Duha lagi to
answer?
kanay.
Duha imong false adto sir?
Sa prank.
Duha na.
Adjut lang jud ging turo og tubang ako gasto
Duha to 20 years old ang yung ano.
Oo, ang lie. Dapat isa lang.
Philippine team, Digo.
Digo.
Kita tanan Philippine player ta.
Okay.
Balik.
Balik, klaro.
Okay, balik. Para klaro. Balik, para klaro.
May naka-answer sakto si Maya FC Chani. I live in Purok Jis Palao. Is that the correct answer?
False man to tanan.
Duha man gyud siya ka ano.
Course mo gyapon to kay PFF national player daw siya.
Erase kay duha man to ka lie. Duha ka lie, diba? Two truths and a lie raman. So pat ka
Di ba siya 20 years old?
Okay, Gaspar, go.
Okay, go Lan.
Na balik.
Oo, sige, balik na. Go.
Okay. I'm Alan El Gaspar. I'm 16 years old. I live in Purok 6, Palao, Iligan City, and I'm captain ball in ICNH is Nagnabi. Hoy, taka lang ay. Hoy, kasama to.
Rasa, oy.
Okay, so the answer.
What's the answer, Alan? What's the answer?
Dili siya team captain City High kay si Kidlat.
Okay, so dili lang team captain.
16 years old siya. Okay, yay! And the winner is... Wait. Ang atong winner
Very
kay...
good.
ICFC AJ. Gihapon. ICFC AJ is the winner in this round. Ace. ICFC AJ, congratulations! And it's 5 minutes before 4. I know gusto pa tadaghan og games, but I will now turn you over to our ILRFA president para sa mga katong announcement of other winners.
Okay.
Madunggan. Ora to?
Okay. Okay, this is now for the thing that you've been waiting for. Para sa ato ang winner sa pinakadaghan of participants. So, I will put this in gallery view. Okay. Kanisha, gi-check na mo ang oras gyud as of 2:07 p.m. ICFC 6 kabuok, Maya High 8, FC 95 1, Tigers 1, Eastern 1, Nahirang 3. Dayon, as of 2:09, as of 3:36, ICFC 17, Mayahay 22, FC 95 2, Nahirang 5, Eastern 1. So clearly ang ato ang daog kay Mayahay FC. Ace! Yes, Ace! Mayahay FC will receive 2,000 pesos. Dahil ICFC will receive 1,000 pesos. FC 95, 1,000. Tigers, 1,000. Eastern, 1,000. Nahirang, 1,000. Mayahay, sakto lagi, Mayahay, 2,000. Ace, Ace, paligo confirm. Wala ba tayo nalimtan? Kompleto tayo no? Mayahay, FC, Tigers, Israel, Nahirang, ICFC.
Oh, dog.
Okay?
Yes, saba kayo. Okay.
Confirm all.
Quiet please for confirmation.
Okay, very good.
Most number of participants won by the winner is the Mayahay FC. They will receive 2,000 pesos. The rest will receive ICFC 1,000, FC 95 1,000, Tiger FC 1,000, Nahirang FC na 1,000. Am I correct or kulang pa?
Okay, correct everyone. Thank you so much. Kompleto tanan, wala tayong nalimtan. Sir Jay, thank you so much, Sir Jay. And everyone, thank you so much, everyone. And that will conclude our Christmas party. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone. Yes, Jokes? So, okay ka tanan? Thumbs
Yes,
up.
sir.
Press. Pero sa follow, guys.
Okay.
Mickey ang guwapo!
Oh,
What's up, my man?
karon sa
Nicky
pagkakaroon
ang guwapo,
na
Nicky ang guwapo.
na presentation ang ICFC ladies. So akong screen share ang ilang presentation as a Christmas gift to all of you. Okay, hold on. I mo screen share ko.
Dala na mo ang kwan, PT Cash.
Share. Kani siya para sa
Shout out on
I love you, Nate.
Okay, here you are.
Onin, pinakagwapo sa tanan.
Onin, guwapo ka niyo, Onin. Onin. Krista. What's up? There's yung tanan. I like to introduce. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Yes. These are what the name Jockey. La 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 la. So cold, sitting fire on a hot beat. La 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 la. Your gears close the hallway.
Mga lumboy. Lumboy sa kalibutan. Wala sayaw, Kay sayaw, sayaw, I'm Santa Claus. I'm Santa Claus. I'm Santa Claus.
Thanks, everyone.
Ala, wow, kahat ba oy?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Welcome. Good day.
Nag-perform is
Sir,
1,000
wala juggling, sir.
nag-perform.
No, sir, wala juggling, sir.
Hi, Ate
Hello, wala juggling.
Tambukan ni Moy.
Uy, mas tambok ka. Sir, wala juggling.
Wala, gusto
Sir,
mo
wala juggling.
mag-juggling?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, juggling, juggling, juggling.
Give me a hand. Hey, give me a thumbs up kung gusto mo juggling. Si kami Eugene. Juggling Eugene be.
$1 million. Jimboy, lima juggling.
Onin yun. Eugene.
Dili ka, sir.
Onin Eugene.
Ayun ko.
Alan Gaspar, sir, please.
Jimplox, juggling Jimplox.
Sir, nahirang Alan Gaspar, nahirang Alan Gaspar.
Ace.
Bike lang ka lang, Chris. Bike.
Ace. Go Ace.
Okay. Mingo na sila ha. Okay. Press. Naman tayo talented din ang mga players. Kung gusto sila mo kanta live, stream. Okay. Or I think atong partner mo na pa sobra para for cash prize if you may.
Ang sa atong button.
Press.
Oy, TikTok.
Ito na.
TikTok atong Mian, may jowa.
Wala ko jowa.
Actually, it's already past 4. Tama na ta 4 o'clock.
Okay.
So we will just accept only one last game. One last game lang para to close our Christmas party. Any suggestion from anyone? Ace.
Paul na lang, sir. Rap.
Anyway, Ace, katong nag-perform ganiya, Ace, we will give 1,000 to that girl's performance. And then, sa pagkakaroon, mag-raffle. Isod kayo mo raffle, kayo mo, sige, tagkuwag number.
Hello, na 1K ang mo perform, sir?
Press, clarification, 1,000. 1,000 each.
Sir, nahirang, sir. Mian may jowa.
Ay, siya mo.
1,000 pesos para sa katong nag-perform ganyan nga ICFC ladies. Si Coach Emma mo daw ato, kaya di ko kailakin sa to sila.
Nahirang, sir. Mian may jowa. Wow.
Sana all.
Unsa nang mian may jowa? Okay. I think we have to close this already. We are going much overboard already. thank everyone. Sana all ang tama ka-prize, pero we've tried to give everyone for your prizes, but I really hope and pray that you enjoyed our little gathering, and hope that soon we will be gathering more in the field and be playing our favorite game, our beloved game. So Merry Christmas to all and enjoy the holidays. Cheers to everyone. Tubig, gatas,
Merry
anduay.
Christmas from Portugal.
Thank you, everyone.
Pang-iba, naghanap pang iba.
I love you guys!
Christmas, everyone. God bless all.
Christmas inyo tanan, Brad! Merry Christmas! Reject ang book!
Unin gwapo.
Ang book na kasi ati Reject!
Hey, Eugene, I love you. Kiss ko, babe.
Jimplox, gwapo. Jimplox, gwapo.
Wash out, Nikki.
Jimplox, sambal.
Shut down. Onin balangoy. Onin balangoy. Pato balangoy. Unahan oy. Balangoy rito ay. Pato balangoy.
Shout out to all
Good na, panggawas na mo.
Sir, atay sa kalibo, sir, be.
Sir,
Balato sa nadaw.
Laki baka kami ka 1K.
Baka naman.
Kaungan bungangor.
Laki baka naman.
Ala, bulan day. Tumani mo.
Change inyong nickname. Bako si Oni.
Thank you. Happy birthday, sir.
Onin gwapo.
Jaboy.
Okay na.
Oh, sige, bye-bye. Hi, Coach. Hi, Coach. Hi, Coach ko.
Nikki at Momo! Bye-bye! Love you, Brad!
Kiyal.
Oy. Saman.
Kiss ko, bi. Gwapo lagi ka. Uling iligan, bi. Mingog ko.
Art, meron lang mga NPA na ka-art.
NPA.
Implox, kasi cute, tira.
Pagdala ko si Royal.
Bye-bye.
Punto nga.
Bye. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Buranday, lagong.
Grab big nail si Japoy.
Kiyal.